Hi everyone, it's Alan Senkmas here from VidMarkServices. It's a beautiful day out here in Southwest Florida, December 6th, 2019. I'd like to talk to you today about a piece of software that gets you the traffic you need to get people to your office, whether they be affiliate office, CPA office, your website, e-commerce site, maybe eBay, Amazon, your blog. Anyway, the name of the software, is cloud-based software to begin with, so you don't have to worry about anything being downloaded onto your computer and wasting a lot of space. It's called iTraffic X, and it's a viral traffic app that if you point, click, you profit. It will get you free traffic. Everybody knows we need people to come to our sites to be able to purchase what we have to offer. Just looking at the site here now, and it's how it benefits you. Gets you unlimited free traffic to any website or offer in 52 seconds or less. Just a few clicks of the mouse, you can create unlimited free traffic streams. You know, I bought into it. I'm learning the course. There's a lot of videos. It's a piece of software by Billy Dar. If you want to look him up on Google him. He's pretty well known in traffic. You can, it's newbie-friendly. No prior experiences or tech skills are needed. You get, like I said, step-by-step training. So, it's a no-win situation, no lose. Can't lose with this piece of software. At least check it out. The link's going to be below the video. If you could also do me a favor, subscribe to my channel and like this video, I would very much appreciate it. Like I said, you have nothing to lose, just check it out. It's a no-brainer, actually. I think it's a good way to get traffic. It's tough today to get traffic with Google and all these, Bing. It's not that easy to get traffic. You can try everything. You can do some you can do some looking up on YouTube and stuff. But this is the ultimate course. So until next time, have a nice day and hope to see you again. Thank you.